Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and thank you for the mail for asking me to make a video how we can install PHP into Windows 10. So let's get started. So I will show you how we can download from which website and install into Windows 10, and we can also check the path, where to put the path, and we can also see how the installation process is, and we will also check the versions. So let's open the browser and start downloading the files. So as we open this browser, so we go to the address part, and then we just put here www.php.net. okay, so just press enter. Once you press enter, you will be taken to this PHP website. You can see that so many versions are there, so look for the latest one here. So these are different versions that they are showing. So what you do is you go to this download, just press the download, and then on the top you will be getting the latest version. So this is the latest version as of now, so check this latest version. Once you get this, you just press, there is a Windows download here. So this is for the Windows, and these are the old, downside is the old version. So let's get to the latest one. So Windows download. Once you come to this one here, you will be taken to the page where you can choose the different bits of your operating system. So let's have a look of my operating system first of all. So my operating system, my computer properties, and we'll see here system type is 64-bit operating system. So mine is 64-bit operating system. So according to your system, you can also download. So let's get download with this 64-bit. So mine is 64-bit. It is showing here, and you go for this non-thread safe. There's a thread safe, non-thread safe. Okay. So now we go to this one here, and then go for this zip. So download this, just press, and it's already downloaded. So once you download it, you can go to this your download files, and then you can see here download is already done. Once you do that, you can extract the files as I have already done. Once you extract the file, you will get this, and all the files you can see here, PHP, everything is inside here. So what we need is, we need this folder. So just copy the folder and go to your C drive. Just open your computer here, C drive. I will just paste it here. So once pasted, I will modify something here. The name, I'll just rename this file because it's too long, and just to make it error free, we'll just do this. So I'll just give PHP this file. Okay, so now let's open this, and we go to the part, and this is our part. So let's copy this. This is the part. Now we can close. Now let's open on my computer, and then you just properties, and from here you go to this advanced system settings. Once you go here, you come to this environment variables. Just below the settings, click this. Once you come here, this is not the up one, user variables, this is not the one. What we need is system variables here. So look for the part. So the part you can see here, is there another? No. So this is the only part, so you can just double click this, or you can just click edit. So mine, I will just remove this as of now. So you come to the last part here. Once you come here, just click the new. So and then you paste the part which you have copied from the browser. You just click OK, and then click OK, click OK, then close this, and then you open. Now we will check whether the installation is successful and what is the version. Now let's go to our command prompt, and we will see from here. So what is that command prompt? But remember, this PHP is a case sensitive, friends. So we have to type it in the PHP, and then here -v. So we'll see the version of the PHP. Sure enough, it is there. Now we can see here PHP 7.4.11 is been successfully installed. So that's it, friends. I hope you like this video, and I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you and see you in the next video.